A pleasant morning to my dear children. Once again, welcome back to the online English classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. Myself, your Vichitamas. Now we are moving through lesson 7. Where are the peanuts? We have already completed the question answers, listening activity, new words, and we have read the textbook. Right? Yeah. Now we will discuss the vocabulary and speaking session of this lesson. Vocabulary of page number 49 and speaking of page number 50. All of you please get ready with your textbook and notebook. Vocabulary, page number 49. Match the words in A with the correct words in B. Children, you can see two columns, column A and column B. In column A, you can see some words, and in column B, you can see some words and a picture. Words and pictures. So, you have to read the words and match it with the pictures in column B. Are you ready? Yeah. First, a long. Second, a young. Third, a funny. 4, a small, and 5th, a yellow. In column B, you can see clown, B, ant, C, ribbon, D, flower, E, woman. So you have to match column A to B. Correct word. You have to match the correct word with the picture. First one, a long ribbon. It is already given. A long ribbon. A long ribbon. You have to match the describing. You have already studied the describing words. Yeah? Long, young, funny, small, yellow. All these are describing words. What is a describing word? The word that describes a noun or a naming word is called describing word, isn't it? Yeah. So here, a long. Which is long here? Ribbon. A long ribbon. 2. A young. Who is young here? We can see a young woman. E. Woman. W-O-M-A-N. So, the second word matches with E in column B. Woman. A young woman. 3. A funny. A funny. Who is funny actually? You can see him in the circus. Who is that? Who makes us laugh? Yeah, he is a clown. A funny clown. That is A. Clown. C-L-O-W-N. A funny clown. Fourth one. A small. Which is the small one? Here. Can you name? Yeah, ant. Ant is a small creature. Isn't it? Ant is very small. So here, ant is described as small. A small ant. Section B, number B. Ant. A small ant. And 5. A yellow. What is yellow here? Yellow in color. Can you identify from the picture? Yes, it is flower. A yellow flower. What is the spelling of flower? F-L-O-W-E-R. A yellow flower. Now, speaking. Page number 50. Look at the picture. Use the words in the box to describe the picture. Below you can see some words in the box. What are they? Tree, pond, birds, green, blue. These are the words. And below that, you can see a beautiful picture. What all things can you see here? Yes, we can see a tree, some birds, a pond, then greeneries, a mountain, etc. What's the color of water? Blue. Isn't it? Yeah. Then what's the color of the sky? That's also blue. And what is the color of the grass? Yes, green. Then what? How many birds are there? Yeah, there are 2 birds. They are flying. Then can you see a tree? Yes. How many trees are there? Yeah, there is only 1 tree. So how can you describe this picture? By using the words in the box. Can you do that? Dear children, you have to do it by yourself. Practice speaking by using these words. Try to speak out yourself. Okay, I will tell you this time, and like this you have to practice speaking. Agree? Yes. So, there is a big pond. Isn't it? We can see a big pond. So, how can we say? There is a big pond. There is a tree near the pond. There is a tree near the pond. Then, there are 2 birds flying in the sky. There are 2 birds flying in the sky. The grass around the pond is green. The grass around the pond is green. The sky is blue. The sky is blue. Then what else? Yes, what's the color of the water? Yeah, the water in the pond is also blue. The water in the pond is also blue. Then, anything else, dear children? Yeah, we can see mountains. So, how can we say? There are mountains behind the tree. There are mountains behind the tree. So, these are the things we can see in this picture. We have used all the words in the box to describe this picture, right? So, we shall speak it once more. Listen to me carefully. There is a big pond. There is a tree near the pond. There are 2 birds flying in the sky. The grass around the pond is green. The sky is blue. The water in the pond is also blue. There are mountains behind the tree. My dear children, today we discussed the vocabulary and speaking session. From vocabulary section, we have done match the following. We have discussed match the following. So, please look at the pictures and words and match it properly. Okay. And in speaking section, we have discussed the look by observing the picture. So, you have to observe the picture carefully and try to speak in your own sentences. Describe the picture and try to speak out in your own words. It is a homework for you. Okay. That's all for today. Thank you.